Jorgen, turn her into a goldfish.
Sorry, blonde girl. The merger made him the boss of my body. I'm so ashamed.
Arming highly suspenseful detonation timer. Now!
Hey, stop, insane evil human! You must reconsider, or at least come closer so I can bite you!
Too late. Nothing can stop me from finishing my greatest plan of all.
Barry Force 5, attack!
You?
Here's for hurting our friends, chump!
A tractor beam? I guess that's the best you can do, now that Neutron and Overbite Boy are gone.
But, Professor, I keep trying to tell you...
Silence! We've got to turn their own energy against them.
Good idea having your friends make us invisible for our reentry, Turner.
Actually, Jenny,